front of me is OPPO A6x, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Google section available here. Now tap on All Services. Scroll again and this time click on Autofill with Google. Now choose Google Password Manager and tap on Accounts at the bottom left corner. Then choose Add Password at the top and input all of those informations. If you can't see this option, that means that you never added a password before. You need to have at least one to add them manually, so to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Then make sure Offer to Save Passwords option is on. Log in into any app and hit Save in the pop-up. This way your password will be saved here and you'll be able to add any other one. Let's do it now. At the top you can type in any website or hit Select App and tap on a chosen one. Now enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!